In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly draft effective sales emails for your business. First, I'll head over to the main search bar and type in a detailed prompt for a premium organic coffee subscription service. I want this email to have a friendly tone while emphasizing the convenience of having fresh beans delivered right to a customer's door, along with a 20% discount offer for the first month. Once I hit the submit button, Perplexity quickly generates a professional email that beautifully captures the sensory experience of fresh coffee. The result focuses on the ease of the door-to-door service and clearly presents the discount code, making the offer feel both inviting and very easy to act upon for a potential new subscriber. Now I'll move down to the follow-up bar to try a different approach, this time for a social media management service. For this prompt, I'm asking for a short, punchy email that targets small business owners and includes a specific call to action for a free 15-minute consultation. I'll also specify that the content should focus on how the service saves time and increases brand visibility. The AI provides a well-structured response that uses bullet points to highlight the key benefits of the service, making the value proposition very easy for a busy business owner to scan. It effectively positions the service as a practical solution for growth and ends with a clear, professional invitation to book a strategy call. Using Perplexity this way allows you to generate high-quality, tailored sales copy for any industry in just a few seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.